40 years old. I'm married and I have one beautiful daughter. So I started this business July of 2018. Actually, I was on my second job. I was juggling two jobs, 16 hours a day. So 11 p.m. I saw the ads on my Facebook feeds, and then when I got home, I just registered my name and email address, and I watched the workshop. And then actually I watched the workshop twice, and halfway I joined because my number one why is I just want to change my lifestyle. I've been working for 18 years, 16 hours a day. So I can barely make it to my daughter's appointment. I don't have family time. I'm always tired. I have money, but the family time is, no more family time. So I decided for myself to start this business. At first, I have only 30 minutes per day. I spend only 30 minutes per day in this business. That's because that's all I can have. And then the following day, I have 30 minutes. And then 7 months in this business, I was able to quit my job. First of all, I would like to say I was working in the medical laboratory as a lab tech, and then 9 years in the hotel industry, and then a part-time caregiver, like that. So back to the business, I got plugged in the system within 8 days, 30 minutes a day, and then I saw result in 45 days. And then my first payday is $160, and then the second one after 2 weeks is $1,200. And I remember my biggest day is $5,210. And yeah, 7 months in this business, I quit my full-time job from 16 hours down to 2 hours a day. So sometimes I'm giving my hours to my other coworkers because of this business. This business supplement our income. So like this year, I have already a plan to resign my second job. My employer knows that this summer actually. And I couldn't be grateful to you, Mike and Darren, because of the system. I'm not a computer expert. The training is so amazing. I can access the training anytime I want, even in the middle of the night, even early in the morning. I just log in. I can access the training as long as I have internet connection, using my laptop or my phone. Yeah, and then the community is so amazing. The awesome people around the world. I gained lots of friends. Now I'm more positive, and then we have lots of plans after this pandemic. We know what's going on around the world. Yeah, and there's lots of changes in my life as a person, as a mom, and then I have we invest for our early retirement. We save money for my daughter, and we pay debt, and it's stress-free. Thank you so much. I think that's all for today.
What an amazing story. Franz, before you pop off here, so you just said you were working 18 hours a day before in your career. How many hours are you spending on your business now?
Right.
Sorry, we lost you a little bit there. Can you say that again?
Right now, Mike, I can spend 3 to 5 hours, in the morning. I'm available, and then in the afternoon, sometimes if they need me, I go to work for 2 hours and then come back again, log in. Yeah.
And have you at least matched your income with your online business, or is it close? Or?
Oh yes. Actually, 11 months in this business, I hit my 5 digits. I remember 11 months, I hit my 10,665, and then the following month, 13,000. The following month, 15,000. So I paid my debts, and then I saved for my family, and then we invest for our early retirement.
Amazing. Congratulations. That's what